And then on Friday around 11, 12, I think, I'm not sure exactly the time, he was taken to the anti-crime unit in Banjurunding, where he's kept until now. Now, since his detention at the anti-crime, he's been given a room where he's staying. But remember, Bora was arrested on Wednesday. So Saturday, the 72 hours, expired, but he's still kept in detention. Now, what happened as we speak, he's still at the anti-crime, and his lawyer has not had any access, because whenever the lawyer tried to reach out to them to say he wanted to, they were not always forthcoming. So this afternoon, the lawyers initiated a legal action against the IGP and the attorney general, because we know that as we speak, he's unlawfully detained because the 72 hours has expired. Now, this Gambia, we believe, is a country of laws, so every Gambian has a right, and as much as the police has the right to invite people and detain them, those individuals also have rights that should be respected by the authorities. Now, I'm going to call the lawyer and just see she'll be able to update us what was exactly what they filed. So let me get to her first and just see. Hold on. So they can tell us what exactly they filed and what we know, and then I'll also update you on. I will also update you on how they call Madi's, what we know about Madi. So let me call Khadijatu of Dandimayo Chambers. Khadijatu and Lamin Camara have been the legal representatives of Bora since his first arrest. So they filed this afternoon, so they should be able to update us as to what they filed. Hello? Hi, Lamin. Lamin, come. Hello, Lamin. Hello. Lamin, Fatou Reker Fatou. How are you? I'm fine, Lamin. I am live right now, and I just was doing an update as to the situation with Alaji Bora Sisaho. What can you tell us as we speak? What is his condition? What have you been able to do since his arrest? I'm afraid I'm not able to tell you anything further about his condition at the moment, because we are not able to see him. We know have we been able to talk to him. But what I can tell you is that as a legal practitioner, we have filed an application in the High Court today seeking prayers for Alaji Bora's release immediately from unlawful detention, because it's been long and the situation is now unacceptable. It's beyond negotiation. We are talking about fundamental rights of individuals, and we cannot be seen to be complacent about it. Yeah. Negotiating with the respondents here, that is the Inspector General of the Police and Attorney General, is untenable. So we are going to court to seek declarations for his release immediately from detention. So what you are asking the court is to release him unconditionally, right? Yes, we are seeking for 4 prayers. 2 of them are in the alternative. The first one is a declaration for the declaration that the continuous detention of Alaji Bora is unconstitutional and constitutes a breach of his fundamental rights. Consequent to that, if we succeed on that one, we're also asking for the court for an immediate order that Alaji Bora be released from the detention of the with the respondents. Okay. That is the Inspector General of Police and the Attorney General. Okay. And there is a prayer in the alternative. The alternative prayer is that for Alaji Bora to be granted bail pending the filing of any charges or charge against him in any court of law in his jurisdiction, and we'll be ready to defend that robustly. Okay. Yes. So normally he was supposed to be released after 72 hours, which was on Saturday. Since then, have you had anything from the IGP's office or the police regarding his release, or even tried to negotiate? Was there any form of communication with the police? We haven't heard any form of communication with the police. The police definitely knew. Some of them definitely know that I am the legal representative for Alaji Bora, because I went to see him when he was initially detained at the Kairaba police station. Yeah. They know that I'm representing him. I'm his lawyer. I have tried everything from pillar to post to ensure that I have contacted Alaji Bora. I have been refused. I tried to talk to him. I don't even know where he is detained. Essentially, he is held incommunicado. This is unacceptable.
is totally unacceptable in this day and time.
Wow.
So we don't have any choice. We are compelled to go to court to seek redress from the court.
So it seems like after 72 hours, he's held unconstitutional. Would you also be looking at options of, you know, suing the IGP for holding him above the constitutional requirement limits? Is that anything you are also looking at?
Certainly, sir. Whatever happened right now, there has already been a breach of the fundamental rights of Alhaji Bara. Whether he is released or not, they have already breached it. Even if they subsequently file charges, it could either be today or tomorrow or any other day. It doesn't matter. Like, you know, I work under instruction. Once he is out and he gives me instruction to go to court to seek redress for his unlawful detention, I'll be more than glad to do that. I will render my service and ensure that justice prevails. We shouldn't sit by and not just allow this kind of detention to continue in this country. It's unacceptable. Yeah. But first things first, we'll try to get this done and seek his release, and then we will work on the rest of it. If I get instruction to proceed to court to seek redress for his unlawful detention, I will do that, without doubt.
Okay. Thank you. Any other thing you want to tell my audience right now? Any other thing regarding Bara? I mean, you said you have not seen him, so you cannot tell us his condition right now.
I know he has a large number of fans out there who are waiting to listen to him to continue with his work. I just urge them to be patient and law-abiding and just allow us to do our work in the courts. This is what we know best, and we are going to do it to the best of our ability. And they can be rest assured that Alhaji Bara will be out soon, as soon as possible, inshallah.
Thank you very much, Lamin. And I want to use this opportunity on behalf of my team network to say thank you very much for the services you continue to render to Alhaji Bara. We thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome, Father. Thanks.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So that is lawyer Lamin Camara, who is representing Lamin's law firm. Have been representing Alhaji Bara since his initial arrest, and we have been working with them to get him released since, but up to now we are not able to get anything. And remember, Bara's, hold on, this call is important. Hello? No? Pedro? What again? Idumuro Samba? Abinyadila? Okay. Oh. Okay. All right. Okay. Abarka back. Make one lanyato. Okay. All right. Abarka back. Okay. All right. All right. So yes. So this is it. This is the situation with Bara. Now we don't have any more choice but to go to the courts to seek redress from the court, because I think that's what every law-abiding citizen should do, to go get redress from the courts. So hopefully the legal representation will be able to get something from the court, so Bara can come back and continue doing what he does best, to make you all laugh, and also to be able to continue his work and be with his family. Also, you guys know that Madi Jobate, we reported, and I was live on Friday. I just don't like doing these things, but sometimes what can you do? I think when I was updating you guys on Bara on Friday, I also spoke about Mahdi being called for questioning, and he was sick, and then he was, the police were at his residence, and they told him that they wanted him to go answer to them. And I think yesterday they initially wanted to go with him, but when they knew he was sick, they left him home. They did not go, they did not take him along with them. But yesterday, Mahdi reported that the police vehicles were around his residence, and he sent us messages, and it was out there. This morning around 7 a.m., I got a call from Mahdi's family, telling us that sending us pictures of his, when the police were carrying him. And since 7 a.m., they had taken Mahdi away from his residence. Remember, Mahdi is sick. He's currently taking his medication. He was supposed to go back to the hospital today to do a second checkup, but right now he is with the police. Now, I spoke to the family just before coming to this program. They told me they were in Banjul, to see exactly whether Madi was with them. According to what they told me, yes, the police did confirm to them that Madi was with them. But what they cannot do is tell them exactly where Madi's location is. So as we speak, the family, his family, they don't know exactly where Madi is held. So the police told them that yes, Madi is with them, but exactly where Madi is, they don't know. And he has been arrested since around 7, and up to now it's been over 5 hours or 6 hours, and he has not had any access to any legal representation. Now, I think when I had a show 2 weeks ago when I was speaking to lawyer Sheriff Kumba Job, what he said was every citizen, the police have a right to call people for questioning or even arrest them. But under the law of Gambian law, if you arrest somebody or you call somebody for questioning, you also have to, they have right to have legal representation within 3 hours of their arrest. So as we speak, Madi is not able to have access to any legal representation. He has not also been able to see his family. And I spoke to his brother who told me that they don't know exactly where Madi is. So I'm going to see if I can, get them just also to speak to us about I mean, I think it's important just to let us know what they know about Madi, where Madi is, and if they want to update us as to where Madi is. So this is the situation as we speak. We as a media cannot tell us where exactly Madi is. And his family also 30 minutes ago when I spoke to them were not able to tell us where he was at that time. So we're going to wait. Hopefully the police will do a release on a statement on Madi. Hold on. So this is what is happening with Madi. So this is the situation right now. So with Madi Jobate as well. So hopefully we're able to get his brother to give us update, or anybody who was there. I know, as I before coming to this program, I was able to get the information that they don't know exactly where he is. They went to the police station and the police told them that yes, the Madi is with them, but they cannot tell them the location. So Badi wolum coming for Rowolam, comme kal update Romimbe Kering, alial neko kabiring arabalungo alaji borando kunyo, alial neko police olia invite non ka fay ko pura ina la belo ke. Kabratra belo to, inata fay ko ala belo ya revokle, iba mutala so inata mutaji, woketa kabiring arabalungo somanda. Wonin bitema imabula 72 hours onying atambitale kabiring sibitulungo bari wonin bitema hanisa in police ol mabula. So la lawyer Lamin Camara ni wala bata diamolo sa ya kamin fo nyiro wolom itol yekato bekele pour ka boraje imagino yekato fanam bekele pour ka soto no pour ya bail police ol ma bail fo bi bilon tili woro njangoti kabire boramo tanin sa intema. So itol fana ye minke bayri ni banko mulwa bankolti ndum banko dio banko ding ni ya feel like ila right solo ila nyantolu ya tinyale comme police ole minke bora komandi so beta kay fenneke bora fana ye nyantolu so police ole nyanta min hormala. So ala lawyer min fo won nyanto dole ye wol tinyale bayri lawyer min fo nata mita 72 hours la nyanta bulala le imabula oto itol fana tata court le pour ka fo court ko na client de saying tata le fo tili til wore ma bula ma bil oto lafta pour luay tama wosiloto. So wala be caring borala karola barali alon ne fanan ko Madi Jobate fanan molo mi alon ko human rights activist la mabe nyum banko kan afanan kabring arjuma lungo police ol tata no ala sukono pour ka fay ko i lafta no pour ina eta pour ina kacha Madi wota mo ay atravesa sare Madi nata fo manke ndia police ol nata muru bari kunum Madi nata safero ke kafu police ole motol nata la kordato kodlal jube ay wo safe ka tan ni mola pour mol yalon. So bari bi so manda tala worola ntenga komandiro so to kabo Madi la family to ka fonyo ko police ol nata le fele Madi sambale sign tenting so woni sain tema kabrin tala worola fo sain kana dun tala lulol kono madi be police ol bulo bari min kuma min yalon ko seneyata maje wolam abadi ngol tata police station otole pour ka je ko fo madi bi jele bayri madi man kende yala borol fo sambale pour ka fo kala borol fel pour ka dila bari kabritara police ol ko ko mote access to no la madi la e malo ngabe da e tolta fo no la moy madi be min tole bari se min fo no wolom madi be tol bulla be tol le bulu so woni sain tema ala family ma access to him abadi ngol ala lawyer fana ma access to I think akumata pour ka senende ko bankudi nim police ol sula tela e nyante commande no la ya foy ko sula tela wo police ol e o sembo sotole bari o sembo fanan kon loi fanan min fo ngamira wolom ni momuta montoro wati sabakono e nyanta ala nyantolu nyanta ka horma jele ka tandela ko e right sotole pour ka lawyer soto so wo kono madi sain be boato min kono kabrin 7 8 9 10 11 12 1 2 3 4 sain be dunka montoro wati sey kono la fo kononto madi man a loyaje andum fanan ama badinje so badingoli a badingoli wala fonye so womu fololati mi an ko